Hey everyone, this is Kumar. Today I wanted to talk about low context RLHF prompts. That's the secret to scalable AI evaluation. So have you ever wondered how massive AI models like ChatGPT get trained to be more helpful, polite, and accurate? Behind the scenes, there's a powerful technique at work called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. And here's the kicker: not all feedback is created equal. Today, we're diving into the unsung hero of scalable AI evaluation, low context RLHF prompts. So let's break it down. At a high level, RLHF is how we teach large language models to align with human preferences. You give the model two possible answers, and a human says, this one's better. Over time, the model learns to produce responses more like the ones or humans prefer. But here's the thing: evaluating model outputs can be complex, expensive, and hard to scale. That's where low context prompts come in. A low context RLHF prompt is simple. It doesn't need prior knowledge. It doesn't rely on remembering a conversation. It's clear, self contained, and easy to judge. Think of these as bite sized tasks. So, fix the grammar in this sentence, summarize this paragraph, translate this into Spanish. Which sentence sounds more polite? A human can read the prompt and instantly understand what to do. No backstory required. That means faster labeling, better quality control, and lower costs. So, why do low context prompts matter? These prompts are gold for training and evaluation because they require less time per judgment. They allow non experts to contribute useful feedback. They are easier to automate with synthetic data or model self-evaluations. That's why tech companies love them. They're efficient, scalable, and safer to deploy across distributed teams. And as synthetic data and LLM self-critique get better, low context prompts are becoming even more valuable in the loop. But not everything can be simplified this way. So let's talk about high context prompts. Now, there's another side to the coin, and these are the high context RLHF tasks. These involve more complex scenarios like multi-turn conversations, deep reasoning, code evaluations, bias, safety, or nuance checks. These can't be handled by crowd workers or simple automation. They require skilled human judgment and sometimes domain expertise. So the future is hybrid. You want to automate the low context tasks, and you want to reserve high context work for experts. So if you're in CPG and let's say you're doing formulations and you want to evaluate the formulation that was provided by an AI, that's an example of what you could assign to an expert, and then you feed that information back into the system so that the system can understand what is good, what is bad, and use that feedback on an ongoing basis to then produce higher quality suggestions. So next time you hear someone say AI learns from human feedback, you should ask, what kind of feedback? If it's low context, it's scalable. If it's high context, it's strategic. Both are essential, but low context prompts are the silent engine powering fast, efficient AI alignment, and the high context is the one that really makes a big difference to replicate the human capability and knowledge in actual tasks. And now you know how to spot them. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment for your favorite example of a good prompt, low or high context. And stay tuned for more behind the scenes insights on how AI actually works. This is AI that ships. Thanks for watching.